Hello guys, it's Utaki once again. In this video I show you how to create an account of ChatGPT in just seconds without using Google, without using professional emails, without using anything. It is in various seconds. So first of thing, like you need to type mail to have an email here, a random one, and then you need to go for ChatGPT. So if you have this email, you will copy it, you will need it as you will log in with it. So after this pop-up, you will all after this page you will copy paste your email here of the temp mail as I already mentioned, then go to continue, then create a random password, then it will get a code, so you need to wait for the code to your temp email here. Then you just press it here or just randomly type it, so you get this code and continue. You have a full name, like I will use a random one. I don't encourage for this. I only get this video for education purposes, how you can create ChatGPT in just very few seconds. So yeah, that's it. You have an email, you have a ChatGPT account, and that's it. Then you have ChatGPT account in seconds. I hope you like the video. Share, like, and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.